Court shall feature Assistant Public Defender, Mr. Walter LaCroix. Mr. LaCroix, please state your name for the record.
Walter LaCroix.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Mr. Evans about this case. It's going to do some further look at the matter to see where we stand in terms of an offer. We're asking just for an adjournment for a couple of weeks of the PCC. And then I need to address his, it's not a bond violation yet, I don't believe, but it's a bond report where Mr. Croy given permission to test in Genesee County. He signed up for a program, DNA testing in Genesee County. That program did not release testing results to the community corrections unless he was
positive. Hold on a second. That's not what I have. Do you have his progress report?
The one that I have, I do have a progress report. I don't
from August 28th.
I don't believe that's the date. Let me check.
Intoxicated causing death.
That's correct, Judge.
All right, and on August 20th, after his arraignment, what day was he arraigned?
I believe he was arraigned on the 16th.
So then he got tested on the 16th he was ordered. He wanted to test there. He tested on August 20th, and he's positive for cocaine.
Correct, Your Honor. I'm aware of that.
Then on the 22nd, he didn't appear for his testing.
That was when I was setting up to be tested in Genesee County. I didn't have to test again because I had just tested. I was just signing up to test in Genesee County.
And I don't believe so, Judge. Just asking for a 2-week adjournment to see where we stand in terms of the potential.
Why is he testing positive for cocaine after getting charged and arraigned on an operating while intoxicated causing death?
Because he used cocaine, Your Honor. Obviously. I don't think he's.
No, it's a fair answer to my question. I'm just saying why.
Yes, Judge.
Why? I mean, why is he using anything?
Well, my understanding is he is not any longer.
What?
My understanding is he is not any longer, but he previously was. He began testing, transferred that testing to Genesee County per the instructions he was given at arraignment. He's been testing there, but they are not reporting the results here unless he is positive. They have not called him to test this week. He's called them twice a day to go test. They have not called him.
I don't have it.
I don't have anything yet,
I was
Judge.
informed about it this morning myself.
So, go ahead, Mr. Green.
Thank you, Judge. So rather than do the Genesee County testing that authorized to do that does not send the reports as community correction would require, he has signed up again today to test here and do all of his testing here, although he does not live here. He has a relative here with him who has agreed to drive him back and forth to do that testing, if he is allowed, Your Honor. I understand.
What was the intoxicant in the primary offense?
Okay.
So let me get this right. He's charged. I just want to make sure. So I have it clear in my head.
You do.
He was charged with operating while intoxicated. He's charged with. He's told to go to community corrections. When he gets to community corrections, mind you, 4 days later,
he tests positive.
he tests positive for cocaine.
I had some at my house, which I disposed of.
In your nose or what?
I had it in a tray and I disposed of it.
You what?
I had it in a tray
And then you just smoked it.
I threw it away.
You threw it away? How's that work? Where did you throw it? It's gonna be a long conversation. Where did you throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I
know.
I disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it And that.
Oh, you used it. Yeah. Okay, well,
And since then, I haven't touched it since.
What's that?
okay. He probably stopped using it because he's coming today. And yeah,
I'm printing them now.
you're printing them.
I haven't touched it since.
So somebody needs to answer for me. Why was he using after being arraigned
I mean, obviously,
on this charge? And why was he using?
I
I
don't,
have my theory, Your Honor.
I don't think there's any answer to
Oh, darn.
satisfy the court as to why.
And by the way, you're still using.
Honestly, I don't see. I
Oh,
have.
really? Hold on.
I've never
But you know what?
Okay.
The thing I hate more than anything is when somebody lies. Counsel, approach briefly. You want to see this? That's my copy though. Yeah, this is the one he took today. No, not at all. We need all of this on the record.
And the last positive, 22nd to 7 days later.
Yeah. 7 days later. And a little bit he threw away. That, go ahead, I'm sorry. I'm messing up your story.
Oh, I know. But all I've done is I've used it in the chair that I saw. I've used it in the chair. And that was it. When it's second, well, no, I have not.
Okay. Well, we'll tell him that, but he's automatically.
I know. I want to do this. I want the truth.
Okay.
To
To answer your previous question, Judge, why?
Oh, he's positive for cocaine.
Judge. And
Just so that we know.
thank you, Judge. Illegal. He doesn't have any type of special license to allow him to use cocaine, Judge. So clearly, has a problem. He is willing to fix that problem. When he testing there, he is working, and he did voluntarily come here today and take a test. So he's asking you to
Not say that, right? No.
No, you didn't have to say.
Go ahead. Anything else?
all I can say, Your Honor.
Tell you the truth.
Okay.
My cousin doesn't allow anything. It's possible. I have friends at my mother's house, but cousin's house to do work down there. Okay. Because I'm gonna eventually reside down at my cousin's house.
All right. So to the positive test, Your Honor, I have no explanation aside from what he already told you.
Which positive test?
The
First one or this one?
The first positive test. Your Honor.
Oh,
The
okay.
explanation he gave you is that he used it, and then that the court would allow him to take place.
Except that he can't follow the court's order. I don't know how he's gonna do treatment. And the other thing is, he doesn't test when he's supposed to test.
Yes, Judge.
So it seems to me I have two options. I could let him go and say, oh, well, best wishes. Or what I can allow him to do is go back out there, use some more cocaine and kill somebody else. I'll let you know. Not doing it.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant remanded to the Washington County Jail. I'll set his hearing September 12th, 2024, 9 a.m. for probable cause.